I left Osaka at sharp 2:30 and as per my schedule I was supposed to reach Tokyo at 11:46. Let me demonstrate you how punctual this Japan is. And there you go. Gate opens and it's 11:46 and I'm in Tokyo. Wow. This shows how obsessed this Japan is with punctuality. Truly unbelievable. Finally, I have reached the city that will host the Olympic 2020 today. I'm in Tokyo. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Aditya and welcome back. Today I am traveling from Osaka to Tokyo by JR local train. I decided to pull the plug on with the idea of traveling by bullet train, flights, buses or any other expensive ways to travel over 500 kilometers between these two mega cities. Join me in this slow but a fascinating journey exploring rural Japan in true essence and know more about a low budget trip in Japan, particularly during festive seasons using a special seasonal JR pass. Usual tickets in this journey would cost me approx 82 USD. This seasonal pass is for 120 USD, but it's not that expensive as you think. I'll tell you more about this later in this video. So let me grab something to eat and drink because I'm pretty much sure I won't get any option midway, as well as I won't be left with much time while I transfer from one train to another. Important to stay hydrated. So my first train is at 2:30 from Osaka station and it will go to Mayabara via Kyoto. So it's 1.5 hour journey. So I have to make 5 such transfers before I reach Tokyo. Wow. It's gonna be tiring, but I'm super excited. Hey, that Shinkansen, aka bullet train. Well, it's gonna reach Tokyo in 2 hours from now and we are gonna take 8 hours. Wow. This local train has a washroom. The pass that I have bought for this travel is valid only for local trains. It means I can take local or special rapid or rapid. It's not valid for limited express or Shinkansen or any kind of express trains. Next ride is a short one which is from Maibara to Ogaki. This train stops at the station till Ogaki. This train is a little bit crowded, so I didn't get place to sit. But since it's half an hour ride, so I don't mind. I absolutely love to travel slow during vacation to explore raw rural landscape of this small island nation. Thankfully, I bought this bento in Osaka itself, and I'm starving with hunger right now, and I just can't wait. This is considered as a bar and a store in Japan. So we have reached Nagoya. Japan's weather brings it all. Each season in Japan brings a new face to the country, each as beautiful as the next. Japan is truly an year-round destination. You take it cherry blossoms of spring, warmth of summer, breathtaking autumn leaves, and last but not the least, the crisp white winter landscapes. This is gonna be my fourth train. This train is gonna be 152 minutes. How cool this restroom is for a local train. Every coach has different level of cooling from weak, mild to extreme. Hence, I have been moving every 20 minutes from one coach to another for last 2 hours. This pass is called Seishun Juhachi. It's seasonal available railway pass which gives you 5 days of unlimited nationwide travel on local and JR rapid trains for only 12,050 yen, which works out to be 2,400 yen per day, which is 21 USD. Now, that's cheap. Without pass, this journey would cost $82. Traveling in Japan can be really expensive. It's 10 o'clock and I have reached Atami, and this is gonna be my final train in this journey to Tokyo. This place Atami was in the worldwide news few weeks back for heavy unprecedented rainfall which led to a landslide, which was quite unfortunate. The pass that I mentioned is available for foreign tourists as well. This is available 3 times a year during school holiday season. It has validity during that window in which it is purchased. For example, if I buy it in summer, I cannot use it in winter or spring, so please take note of it. 5 days do not need to be consecutive and multiple travelers can use the same ticket. Give you a fair bit of idea how super smooth these super trains are. Oh my god, how complicated is this railway network in Tokyo? Punctual this Japan is, and there you go, the gate opens and it's 11:46 and I'm in Tokyo. It was quite an inexpensive ride to Tokyo from Osaka, all thanks to Seasonal Pass, Seishunju Hachi Seasonal Pass, and it cost me less than 21 US dollars, which translates to around 1600 INR. It is mighty cheap, but the experience is priceless, and it's a great deal, especially if you are a slow travel lover. So today for an overnight stay, I have booked a capsule hotel, so I'm heading towards the capsule hotel. So please stay tuned for a vlog on capsule hotel, and for that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and if you have subscribed, then arigato gozaimasu. Thanks a lot. See you again next time. Bye bye.